In other news this evening, Jacksonville first responders are seeing fewer overdose 911 calls, but advocates urge everyone to remain cautious about opioids.
Even though the numbers are trickling down, the dangers are still rising up.
That was Mark Braddock, a local business owner who lost his brother to an OxyContin overdose. Braddock's business observes the day his brother was born and the day he died.
News4Jax anchor Janice Harris speaks more with Braddock and one of the many local advocates who's fighting against overdose deaths.
Good news about overdoses. According to the Jacksonville Fire and Rescue data, the number is going down. Jacksonville Fire and Rescue rushes to an emergency, sometimes with only minutes to spare. For years, they have been saving lives from deadly drug overdoses during the opioid epidemic. This is data from JFRD. It shows the number of suspected opioid-related overdose patients by year. It is on track to be the lowest in at least the last 7 years.
Like, this is a brand new hat. You know, this was our very first game.
Meet Mark Braddock. You might know him from the pop-up 904 shops or his vibrantly colored T-shirts, but his business started out of pain and tragedy.
I obviously lost my brother from an OxyContin overdose. Even though the numbers are trickling down, the dangers are still rising up. Fentanyl is way too easy and way too accessible to make.
These newspaper articles tell the story. Braddock was going to fashion design school and found his brother after he overdosed. The name of the business, 8103, is the year his brother was born and died combined, 1981 and 2003. According to JFRD data, the most suspected opioid-related overdose patient incident calls by zip code are 32210, 32244, 32218, 32209, and 32208 so far as the top 5 this year, but the numbers are still on trend to decrease. TJ Ward is the executive director of Project Opioid Jax. It's one of many groups working to educate, advocate, and collaborate with the community for substance use disorders, specifically overdoses. He met with families who have suffered from the opioid epidemic.
The families who've lost loved ones to this epidemic are devastated, and it's not a one-time event. As you can imagine, it's ongoing, and it's a ripple effect. It not only impacts the immediate family, but also the extended family.
Braddock is one of those families. For 22 years, he has been keeping his brother's memory alive through this business. And though numbers are dropping, he hopes people will remain cautious.
Unfortunately, I lost my brother to OxyContin, but we all still need to be ready. This crisis has not ended by any means.
Janice Harris, Channel 4, the local station.